In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio dashboard in Smartsheet. We'll build one using Smartsheet's built-in templates so you can get a professional, executive-ready view of your projects in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. Make sure you're signed in so everything you create is saved to your account and workspace. On the left side of the screen, look for the Create button. It may appear as a plus icon or a button labeled Create, depending on your layout. Click it to begin a new solution. This opens options for new sheets, reports, and templates. Next, choose View All Templates. That takes you into the full template gallery where Smartsheet provides pre-built solutions for common scenarios. Using the gallery is the fastest way to stand up a complete portfolio toolkit without building each piece from scratch. In the gallery's search bar, type the word Portfolio. This filters the results to templates designed for portfolio oversight. You'll see options focused on dashboards and status rollups. Select the portfolio template that matches your needs and click it to open the preview. The preview describes what's included, typically a dashboard, several reports that summarize projects, and underlying sheets to organize project data. Take a moment to scan the overview so you know how the parts work together. When you're ready, click Create from Template. Smartsheet will generate the full set of assets for you. You may be asked to confirm a name and a location. Keeping the defaults is fine, or choose a folder that fits your workspace organization. The setup may take a few seconds as the dashboard, reports, and sheets are created. Once the package is ready, you'll have a pre-built dashboard that pulls metrics, charts, and summaries from the connected reports. Those reports in turn roll up information from the included sheets, giving you a single place to monitor status, timelines, and health across projects. The template is designed to work out of the box, and you can customize titles, colors, and logo branding later to match your organization. If any widgets look empty, that simply means the source sheets don't have data yet or the sample content is still populating. Once project information exists in those sheets, the dashboard updates automatically to display live portfolio metrics. And that's it. You've created a portfolio dashboard in Smartsheet, ready for executive visibility and team alignment.